Hello, everyone. My name is Marvin Dubon, and I'm going to be talking about tight junctions. I'm in group 4, so this was my chosen topic. So an overview of it is that they are what keep the cells tightly packed together, and they prevent anything from going through, from like molecules or toxins or anything. And they are found in a lot of organs in our body, and they can even be found in the blood-brain barrier. This is a picture and well, a drawing, and then this is an actual picture of cells. And the tight junctions would usually be around the middle of the cell, which would be right here. And in this picture, what they're showing is that they did kind of an experiment, and they dyed this solution and they put it in here, and then they looked at it through electron microscopy. And as you can see here in the actual picture, you see that the solution goes all the way up to here, but it doesn't go through and it doesn't go into the lumen or anything. So you can tell that the tight junction is right there. And that's what keeps it closed. So they can be found in many parts of your body and mainly in the intestines. You can find them, a lot of them in the intestines, in the small intestine. And like I said in the previous slide, they will be usually found around the middle of the cell. And they can also be found in blood vessels, liver, bladder, and other organs. And what happens when they malfunction? When you have a malfunctioning tight junction or multiple tight junctions, you usually get diseases like diarrhea or inflammatory disease or malnutrition. So I was looking into this study that they did, and they found that when you have malfunctioning tight junctions, that can lead to intestinal diseases. But they also found that there's this protein called claudin 2, and they can use this protein. They see it kind of like a new therapeutic target for treating intestinal diseases. And this malfunctioning tight junctions could also lead to bacterial or viruses and toxins making their way through your intestinal lining, which is not good. So while reading this article, one of the questions that popped into my head was if irritable bowel syndrome was caused by malfunctioning tight junctions, and which I think it could be, because inflammatory disease is Crohn's disease, and irritable bowel syndrome is pretty similar. So I would assume it is, but that was my question. Like, will malfunctioning tight junctions, would that cause this syndrome? And yeah, that's my presentation.